we got a 2021 Tiguan, 70,000 miles. We got a strong vibration while idling in traffic. In drive, foot on the brake. We have a leaky clutch alternator pulley. So we're going to be doing the upper transmission mount for the vibration. We're also going to replace the engine mount as well. It's pretty worn out. And we'll start with that. Alright, let's get the airbox out. Disconnect the filter line for the intake runner, the filter line for the secondary air. Disconnect the MAF sensor. Pop it out of the grommets. 13
for the battery tray lock.
10
10 mil for that, the battery.
All right, 3 T30s. Okay. Pop the tabs off here. Four 16s.
Sliding the jack under. Going to the trans. You have the rubber
sit right on the pan.
Rubber block. You're just jacking it up just enough so the mount moves.
3/18. Smoked. Got a fresh one here, nice and tight.
Four 16s.
Alright, 3/18 coming in. You want these centered in the mount and you want them to go in nice and easy.
Alright, pull your jack out. Installing the battery tray. The battery trays are way nicer in the newer.
With the 3 T30s, yeah, without that stupid 10 back there, yes, I agree. Pop that battery in, you want to put it in the front of the tray, slide it back. Get the lock in.
13.
Let's get that positive on first.
Positive on first, 10 mil.
Lock down your harness. Clips back in. Little shot of
Silicone spray on the rubber grommet.
Alright, pop on the air filter for the secondary air and the air filter for the intake runner flap. We're going to leave this loose for a minute because I'm going to be doing a brake flush as well.
Don't forget to put your intake pipe back on. Plug your sensor in. Put your engine cover back on.
We got a 2021 Tiguan DDS engine. We did a upper transmission mount for a vibration, an engine mount for a leak, an alternator pulley clutch for a leak, lower control arm bushings due to delamination from the metal ring housings, and a little bit of maintenance. We did an oil change, a brake flush, and a pollen filter.